the bridge, and below the bridge, I think so, it's the river going KB.
Yeah, I'm not sure which one it is, but this is a very historical bridge. Did you see that?
Oh my God, what a view, KB.
Very historical bridge.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's looking awesome, man. What's your feeling, KB?
So lush green, I saw that historical bridge. And now I saw those those in my back home, but not here. Oh, wow, it was a very historical bridge. Its base is wood base and its structure is pure steel.
Yeah.
It's very nice. So here we see the farms.
Yeah, a lot of acreage. Of city of Calgary. We can also look from the field as well.
Yeah, actually we are like way off Calgary, like probably 50 kilometers.
Yeah.
Maybe more.
Yeah.
Still we can see it's a pretty remote area towards the south of the Calgary. And
you can also see the views of Rocky Mountain as well. Oh wow, what a view of Rocky Mountain.
So guys, that are the remote area of Canada, south of Calgary, and this is spring, so you can see all those kind of sceneries and scene everywhere in Canada in the starting of the spring. So a lot of farmers already cultivated their land. Some of the guys like they are waiting for the raining and waiting for their crops, and I think in a couple of months they're going to cut the crops as well. So usually we have here canola, right?
Yeah.
And wheat, usually wheat and canola, two crops.
Yeah.
And they are pretty quick crops, like because here in the summer days are very long. Like the sun right now, we are in the end of May, right? And the sunrise is right now here is 5:28, I think so, a.m. And the sunset is right now close to 9:45 in the night, right? So that's how long is the day in Canada, especially in Prairies area here. And if we're getting into the June, it's going to be longer more. So all the crops have the longer day and have a more sun, right? So that's why they ready to cut quickly. So usually they have the two crops, May, June, July, and August, September, October, and they cut the canola in the October. So usually they cut wheat first crop, and the second crop is canola. And they are pretty quick. Like within 6 months, they have two crops. Because of the long days, long sunshines. So that's the only reason. So it's very good. It's very nice. Farms. You can look behind me.
And
like
very
it's bare land, and just this is Canada.
This is the beautiful Canada. So awesome, and keep watching our channel Enjoy Star Food. Please subscribe, like and share our channel with your family members, everyone, and thanks for watching.
In 600 meters, turn left.